Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to make a watercolor painting. You can put this on your journal, your scrapbook, or just to put it on wall. So grab a pencil, pen, watercolor paper, and you paint, and let's get into it. Before we do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. What drawing would you like to see next? So let's jump right into the video. Before I get started, I want to let you know that I'm using this watercolor pen, that I've been loving it. And here's the painting that you will see at the end of the video. And here's my assistant. Before I start, I should give her a good kiss, just to annoy her, to get her out of my way, so she won't get mad at me. So now I am making sketches by using my pencil beforehand, so that I will save time for the recording part. After I'm done, I'm using my ink pen in the size 0.1. I only draw the center part of the attention so it will stand out. For the straight lines, I did use a ruler. If you're new to it, use a pencil first. Then when you're confident with your drawing, then draw it with a pen. And that's how I do it. I will say that drawing the stairs is a bit hard because it uses a perspective view. And now, it's coloring time. Now I'm starting from the background using my water brush pen. I love this brush pen because it saves me a lot of time without having to dip into the water. I did save a lot of time with this method, using this brush pen. If I'm using a normal brush, I have to use a lot of time and effort to dip it and clean it and rub it, and every time I have to control everything, but using this brush pen, it saves a lot of time. For the base color of the rooftop, I'm just painting the navy blue as the base color. And I will darken the roof by mixing navy blue and black later on. While waiting for the black and blue to dry out, I dip into a green and light ochre brown, mix them both together to make the trees and plants. And I also make scattered leaves on the stairs to make it look alive, as if the leaves were blown by the wind and make a mess on the stairs. For the bush under the house, I'm using blue and green paint. And now I'm just making shadows under the house and also darkening up the plants, the trees and the leaves. And now I'm making the leaves for the tree, making the scene looks like fall season by using the color ochre brown and orange. For the shadow, I use more orange and red to make it look darker. For the rocks, I'm using a little bit of black with more water and slowly brushing it upwards in a zigzag form to make it go from dark to light. And I also make red and orangey rocks at the bottom of the picture to make it look like a variety of rocks. For the grass in the background trees, firstly, I painted the base color with a light green. The further the trees are, I used more green and I added a bit more of a navy blue to make it look darker. And I just fill in the gaps with the same color. And now I'm making pine trees at the back. For this part, it has to be a darker color just to differentiate the trees from the main subject. And I just repeated using green and blue paint. When the green base color for the grass has dried, I go back with the same green and blue with different ratio of each part every time to create a grass looking texture. As a quote that I found online on Pinterest, I really like this one. It says, "Allow nature's peace to flow into you as sunshine flows into trees" by John Muir. I think it suits with the theme, don't you think? On the bottom part, I draw some different type of plants. I did this by making straight lines horizontally to make the leaves and long vertical line in the middle for the stem. Next, using a brush ink pen, I draw 3 branches coming from the top of the house. My recommendation is not to use the Pilot Japan brush pen because it will activate if a water intact with it, because it will smudge, I tell you. But even if you do, all you have to do is avoid any watercolor from touching it. Using the same brush, I also make textures for the rocks too. As the background trees dries, I use black watercolor paint. I'm gonna make a silhouette of the pine trees that are further away from the back to make it look so far. For the final details, I'm going back with the ink pen to make the center part of the intention to be stand out. And now, it's time for some peel porn. So guys, this is the final look for my painting. I hope this gives you some sort of inspiration for your drawing journey. I really hope you enjoy the drawing or the painting. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and be subscribed to my channel. Click the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are new, please follow me on my Instagram journey at artsmaster_Shakira. If you would like to be in the next Instagram shoutout, please do tag me in your followers on Instagram and you might just be in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.